there we are. That's me back from corridor. I don't know if I'll be able to pick up this video or not. That's the mighty GSXR 750 Suzuki. Did a lap of corridor. I don't know how it's going to work out, but that's my helmet there. And what I'm now using is DJI Action, I'm not sure even what it is, Action 4 camera. This is the first time I've ever used it. I have no idea how it's going to turn out. Gary GSF linked me up with a microphone, so I had the microphone, you can see the microphone in there. I had the microphone connected up when I was going around the Corridor 100 circuit. So hopefully we'll be able to get some content out of it. I have no idea. But we'll just see how it goes. It's if nothing else, it's quite nice looking. It's like a BY/K4. I don't know if you can see it. Microphone that plugs into the DJI Action 4, and then that comes down through here. Gary was good enough. It's Gary English. Gary was very good enough to connect all these bits and pieces for me, and there's the wee microphone there. So I don't know if it's worked today or not, but if it hasn't worked, this is a video that I definitely know is going to work. So that's the Suzuki. That's my DJI Action 4. That's my gloves. That's the bike. Start it up for you. And an awful lot of trouble getting it started up earlier on. Just concerned, it's very windy today. I don't want this foam blowing over, so I only started up for a couple of seconds. So there's a bit of Honda today, a bit of Suzuki today, a bit of crash helmet today, a bit of me today. The last time I had this bike out was Mother's Day, and I didn't want to start it up Mother's Day because Mother's Day was a Sunday. But it's not Mother's Day today, so hopefully it'll start up. the bike there. I'll not be taking it out again until I get whatever is wrong with it sorted out. Definitely not. That's my gloves. There. So this is Colin Burnside saying goodbye. Don't forget to share with your family and friends. Consider subscribing and hit the bell so that you'll be notified when I bring out my next video. Bye. This Suzuki Slaby was manufactured in 1982, and funny enough, it was actually manufactured in France. Underneath the seat, not going to start taking it all apart now, but underneath the seat there's a French export sign, and the bike was exported from France over to the UK, and I'm very pleased with it. Just this problem with starting it, just can't get around it. I'm not just quite sure what it is, but if anybody is an expert on slingshots, GSXR 750 Slaby, if you wouldn't mind putting down in the comments down below if you have any idea why I'm having difficulty getting it started. That's a choke here. Everything seems to be in order. Just do not know what it is. But as I say, I'll not be back out on it for a while anyway. I'll just bring you around and let you have a look at it. You heard it going anyway. That's it. There. And just to tell you, there's 22,805 miles. Oh, it's turned on. And it was made in Tokyo in Japan. The red line comes in at 11,000 RPM, and the red line goes right up to 13,000 RPM. So it's not anything. It's not a very high revving motorcycle, but it's good enough for me. It's 1982, and everything's totally original. I'll bring you around and let you see this here. This is a wee thing that will authenticate it. So everything's totally original about this bike. You can even, although you can't see it, I'll see if I can bring you right down and let you have a look at it. If you look just down there, there's a Total sticker. Now Total were a French company. So I'm just going to wrap this video up here. So as I say, thanks very much for watching. All the best. Bye. See you in the next one.